Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Wayno's Rod House. You're probably thinking, oh, that old man again. Hey, y'all just wait. Don't be skipping through. This is a 7-foot medium action bait caster. Customer wanted it gold and black. I got the gold on there, waiting it to cool down so I can put the black on it. I bake my paint on my rods. If you want to know how to bake your paint on your rods without ruining your rod, uh, please like and subscribe. I'll share that secret with you. And then once this thing cools down, I'll start the black on it and get it finished. Then I'll bake that on there and then I'll start wrapping it. So if y'all want to see the finished product and follow along on this journey with me, hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Y'all can see this. We're going to call this the Gold Bait Caster, so y'all can follow along and see updates on it. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Oh, I see what y'all are doing. Y'all are looking at that blue one. Yeah, that's the blue JB Weld rod that I finished. Customer is going to come pick it up this evening. Said he can't wait to get it in the water. Excuse the mess on the table. I have a small table. But that blue rod come out really nice. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Wayno's Rod House, we're saying to you, go fishing and happy RVing. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.